All right, so if you guys are looking for something for your workout and increase your sweat and your endurance, pretty much burn some fat and everything else, this is a perfect item. Now, if you guys can see, this is not a jacket. It's actually a workout shirt, a long sleeve shirt. If you guys can see, it has like a more like a shiny aluminum phase inside, but it's actually materialized, right? Now, the great thing about these is that there's reflectors in the front and there's reflectors in the back. If you guys can see, the lines are reflecting. So if you're gonna run and jog at night, or if you're gonna use this for working out at night and you don't have any lights, this can actually reflect some of the actual light coming up on you if a car or bike you're running side by the side through the road. So in the front, I'm going to show you something that the zipper can go all the way up and actually zip the entire neck. So if you're going to be running this with this on the actual wet weather when it's raining, you won't get water to leak into your actual body. Now this, at the end of the day, is going to retain a lot of sweat, so I recommend you to put it inside out and maybe wash it by hand. And also, I wouldn't recommend the machine wash, because if you do machine wash, make sure it's on cold water, right? If you guys notice, this is the inside of it, and like I say, it has a reflector inside, but this is to actually retain any moisture from leaking out, and it actually increases more of the moisture to build up. Now, when you're going to use something like this, make sure you hydrate, and also make sure you enough salt, because when you sweat, you lose a lot of the sodium, all right? So just an advice on when you're using something like this. Not recommended to you wear it for 24 hours, only for workouts. Now they have different sizes and different colors, but this is the color that we got. And if you're gonna go to the gym or maybe take a jog, this is a perfect way to actually start. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.